My name's Tony Aranda Jr. I'm a senior here at KSU University and majoring in sports administration and minoring in marketing. I didn't declare my major in sports administration until my junior year of college. And I really wanted to do that my freshman year, but I was really nervous. I've always heard, the sports industry is competitive, but switching to the major, you realize that everybody wants to help each other. Students, professors, it's not competitive as much as you think it is. Everybody wants to help each other. Everybody's networking, hey, come work with me over here, come work with me over there. It's a community. Everybody helps each other. I did both my practicum internships with the sports marketing department, and on my very last day, they offered me a job to work with them until I graduate, and that led to so many opportunities, more responsibility, all things that I could put on my resume. It feels surreal to just 5,000 people in a stadium. I'm standing there on the field, helping run the show.